In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your Monzo card using the Monzo mobile app. If you've just received your brand new Monzo card and you're eager to start using it, you're in the right place. In this guide, we'll walk through the activation process step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly for you. First things first, let's get started by opening your Monzo mobile app. Make sure you've installed it on your smartphone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android device. If you need to download it, just head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Monzo. Once you've got that settled, tap to open the app, and here's where the magic starts. Once the Monzo app is open, you'll need to log into your account. If you're already a Monzo user, you probably know the drill. Just enter your email and password or use any fingerprint or face recognition you've set up for a seamless login experience. Logging in securely is crucial, as it helps keep your banking activities safe and accessible only by you. Now that you're logged into your account, your home screen will show you your recent transactions and available balance. From here, you'll want to navigate over to the section that shows your cards. Here, you might see several options if you have more than one Monzo card. Take a moment to locate the particular card that you want to activate. It's likely that you'll see a prompt or an icon indicating it needs activation. Next, simply tap on the card you wish to activate. This will take you to a dedicated screen with all the details about your card. On this page, you'll find an option that says Activate New Card. Go ahead and click on it. This action is initiating the process that ties your card's physical chip to your account digitally. At this stage, depending on the make and model of your phone, you might need to use its NFC functionality. This means you'll place the card against the back of your phone. Don't worry, just hold it there briefly as your phone's sensor reads and verifies the card. It acts just like a magic wand tying everything together. If for some reason the tap function doesn't go as planned, there's an easy alternative. You can click on Activate manually and follow any additional step-by-step instructions the app provides. This might involve entering some details from the card itself, but it's straightforward. And there you have it! Once you've completed these steps, your Monzo card should now be fully activated and ready for use at any place accepting card payments. Keep your card safe and enjoy the convenience Monzo provides with its innovative banking solutions. Thanks for watching, and happy banking!